Data from ocean observing satellites and other ocean sensors indicate that El Niño conditions appear to be developing in the equatorial Pacific Ocean. During an El Niño, easterly trade winds in the Pacific falter allow giant waves of warm water to drift across from the western Pacific toward South America. This is known as Kelvin waves. Conditions in May 2014 bear some similarities to those of May 1997, a year that brought one of the most potent El Niño events of the 20th century. El Niño also can have a significant influence on weather and climate far from the tropics. Surface waters in the central and eastern Pacific become significantly warmer than normal, altering weather patterns and affecting fisheries along the west coasts of the Americas. Above normal sea surface heights in the equatorial Pacific indicate El Niño conditions, while below normal heights indicate La Niña. The height of the sea surface is a good indicator of the amount of heat stored in the water. As the ocean warms, the surface rises; as it cools, it falls. This is due to thermal expansion and contraction. The molecules in warmer water are farther apart than in cooler water. According to an oceanography program manager, what we are now seeing in the tropical Pacific Ocean looks similar to conditions in early 1997. But there are no guarantees. A deep pool of warm water has been sliding eastward since January. One of the strongest El Niño events observed was in 1997 and 1998, with extreme weather impacts on several continents. Peru, Mexico, and the rest of Central and South America endured devastating rainstorms and flooding. North America had one of its warmest and wettest winters on record, particularly in California and Florida. Indonesia and parts of Asia saw disastrous droughts. Oceanographers foresee a 65% chance of a transition to El Niño in the summer of 2014 and said that there remains uncertainty as to exactly when El Niño will develop and an even greater uncertainty as to how strong it may become. Thank you for watching Rendsburg Science. See you next time. RendsburgEnterprises.com presents the following message.